So we start off today's video with this major hair transformation. She goes to the salon rocking out a high bun. And leaves the hair with this fresh pixie style. Loving this transformation. She does have the two-tone color with the blonde on the top. Gorgeous. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle. And today we will be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations. A lot of these are quite extreme, so you are definitely in for a treat. Here we have someone who decided to buzz cut their hair and color it. Loving this major hair change with the buzz cut and the blonde. Beautifully done. So if you guys feel inspired by any of these hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have a Pixie makeover. This one features a classic Pixie style with the baby bangs. Beautiful, very retro influence for that particular cut. So then we see someone who decided to shake things up with some shaping and layering of the hair. Gorgeous. Great way to add some volume to your hair, just get some layers. So then we move on to someone who has super long waist length hair. Looks like she's doing a mid-lane cut. Oh, she got the cut even further into a bob. Beautiful bob haircut, and she also went darker with the color. Very nicely done. Such an easy, carefree, effortless haircut. So next up, it looks like we have someone getting a pixie style. Ooh, nice bangs added in the front. Gorgeous. So much body in this particular silhouette. Very nicely done. Now we have someone else who's going to be cutting their hair. So this is the salon, very cool aesthetic. And that is a lot of hair that she chopped off. Looks like she ended up getting a classic bob, tousled waves added. So simple and effortless. And then we move on to the next hair transformation. I really like her hair color. So the stylist is adding in some bangs. Gorgeous layers to frame the face. Oh, I just love her color. So pretty. So it looks like we have a bob haircut transformation for the next one. This particular stylist likes to do a lot of pixie bobs and bob haircuts, pixies. Wow, she does have a hint of maroon going with the color, kind of like a play on that cherry cola trend that we're seeing from TikTok. And it looks like he did do more of like a pixie bob haircut for this one. Nice chic hairstyle. Alright you guys, I hope you were able to find some hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.